welcome to another Riding Roads. And today we are also in the kind of area of Rye. This is the B2089. Certainly it is at this point near Rye. I'm not sure if it's going to be that road all the way through because it is quite a longer road. But it's a fantastic road. It runs from the historic town of Rye, which, as I've mentioned before, well worth a visit. And then it runs all the way through to kind of Battle area, comes out not too far from the cafe, 1066 cafe. Let's get past this car. The 1066 cafe. We've got some roadworks by the looks of things. So you can add it to your nice little ride out, and then go grab yourself a coffee or what have you. Oh, let's go in front of this here. Oh, bit cheeky. There we go. It should give us a nice clear run of traffic. Anyway, so the B2089 to Battle, I'm not sure if it, like I say, is the whole road. Beautiful road, got the views, you've got great views of East Sussex. Used quite regularly for bikers and cars for that matter. On a day like today, wouldn't surprise me if we see a lot of bikes coming whizzing along here, but also some interesting cars. You quite regularly see some very nice vehicles coming through here. But you've got fantastic, I'm not sure if we can see them, fantastic views of the Downs, which is in this area. We kind of run along a bit of a top of a hill for the most part. You might be able to catch some glimpses from the edges of the camera here as we look over the tops of these hedges. On the 916 again today, still trying to get my my miles up. It's August again, like the previous one of these that I've done. So the weather is absolutely beautiful, perfect. Slow down, Simon. I'm not out of the speed limit internationals yet, but yeah, sorry, the weather is beautiful. We've had such an incredible summer this year, so certainly been putting some miles on the bikes. A little bit more quiet because I was on holiday briefly in August, but yeah, excellent excellent biking summer we've had here, so let's hope everyone stayed safe and had an equally good biking summer. I'm nearly done with my miles. I think probably next week I will book this in to have its oil change and finished its running in period, and then we really can have a bit of fun as we're now all set to go. I will set a video up on the 916 on what I've done to it as far as how to bring it back to road worthiness from sitting idle looking glamorous in somebody's games room. So I will post that coming up for all you anyone who's buying a classic bike. I suppose it will be useful. Here we go, Nationals. Look at that roar. Look at that roar. Listen to that roar. Just itching to rev this thing, as I've mentioned before. Also had some interesting comments, which is a very valid point about you know, this is a beautiful bike and want to see more exterior shots of it, so I will be working on how to do that. A little bit more tricky obviously than just, yeah, but we'll get some more riding footage. There was an amazing video by MCN on Bikes of the Era that had two of these, or a 996 and a 916 SP, I believe it was. Certainly one of the limited edition ones. Absolutely incredible. I'll link to it in the description actually, I think. Yeah, it looked amazing with both of them going. This is going to be a slightly longer video because this is a lovely long road. About 20 minutes or so I think it will probably take me to get along it. It has a couple of crossroads in it and a few speed limits as we're in now, but a really good example of the roads that we're blessed with here in Kent and East Sussex, oh, and West Sussex as well. Relatively quiet traffic wise. Just if I get there. Oh, look at that Rolls Royce coming out there, classic roller. Come up to the first of our two crossroads, I believe. Oh, St George's Cross, looking glorious there. No, there it certainly is. So we continue on the B2089 to battle. Of course, named after the amazing battle that we had, which is a BBC TV series at the moment about William and William the Conqueror and Harold. Got a couple of cars to get past. Now the one downside of this road is it's not great for overtaking. It is not the easiest one in the world to get past vehicles. You certainly have to make the most of it. So we will attempt to get past these two. Ah, well, I'm not out of the speed limit yet, unfortunately, which is rather tragic, as that is a great overtaking opportunity. That's very unfortunate because I kind of needed that one. So. do get to see some of the beautiful, and we have a lot of these, tree-lined or tree canopied, I suppose would be the right terminology for it. Roads that we have here. Sweeping bends, trees, just stunning. Now we're heading to Cripps Corner, which is where the second crossroads on our little journey is. With a bit of luck, maybe we'll lose the Fiesta in front. It would be nice, wouldn't it? And it is still the B2089, so look at that. All the way through battle, it doesn't change its thing. And you are turning left. Let's hope you stay there. Oh, there's another car there now. Oh, big bump. Dodging the potholes in this country is interesting exercise. All right, Nationals again. There we go. Beautiful tree-lined road again here. Look at this. It's a shame there's an electric golf cart in front of us. Oh, and a car there. That's even more unfortunate. And there you have it. We come to the end of the B2089. We're nearly in battle. So, if you enjoyed this and looking for more interesting road choices or ideas, then please like and subscribe. If you've got your own ideas of what you'd like to see me riding along on the bikes, then please also let me know. Would love to, actually I think I'm going to go this way. plan. Yeah, please like and subscribe if you would like me to ride one of your own recommendations. I've had a few come in, so much appreciated on that. I will get to those, and then we will get them recorded and enjoyed as we continue to enjoy this great weather. So we'll make the most of that. And in the meantime, until I see you next time, ride safe, and I'll catch you then. All right, take care.